Today we will be studying about convex set. Okay, now it is basically a topic related to the geometrical section of mathematics, or you can say the LPP section of mathematics. Okay, so the concepts comes under geometric as well as LPP. Now what is a convex set? So according to the definition, it is a region or a area such that if we choose any 2 points within that region and join them with a straight line, then the entire straight line shall fall within the area or the region. So if any region satisfy this kind of criterion, then it will be known as a convex set. So it is a very simple concept and it will be clear to you if I show you by using some diagrams. Let us take let us draw some diagrams over here. Okay, so I have drawn some arbitrary diagrams. Now let us take the case of the first diagram. Choose any 2 points within the diagram, say this and this. Now join these 2 points by using a straight line. Now what do we see? All the points within the straight line are lying within the area of the diagram. So it is a convex set. Again, if you take any 2 points such as this and this, if you join them, then again all the points within this straight line are lying within the diagram or the area. Okay, so it is also satisfying, this line is also satisfying the criterion of a convex set. So if you check for each and every point of this diagram, you will see that no matter where or what combinations of point you select and join them by a straight line, all the straight line will lie within the demarcated area. Okay, so this is a convex set. Okay, similarly, if you take this demarcated area and choose 2 points, same this line also satisfies the definition of a convex set. All the points within this line lie within the demarcated area. Okay, similarly, take any 2 points, this and this, or this and this. So what do we see? No matter what point we choose and join them with a straight line, the straight line will always lie within the demarcated area. Okay, however, okay, this is also a convex set. This is a convex set. However, if we consider this diagram will not satisfy the definition of a convex set. How? Let us see. So over here, if you choose 2 points, obviously it will satisfy the definition of a convex set, and the line will lie within the demarcated area. Over here also, if you choose these 2 points, again the definition of convex set is being satisfied. However, if you choose this point and this point and join them by a line, now this line lies outside the demarcated area. Okay, so in case of this diagram, there might be certain combination of points who, when joined by a straight line, may not lie within the demarcated area. That the straight line formed by the combination of those points might not lie within the demarcated area, and therefore it does not, some points over in this diagram does not satisfy the definition of a convex set. Okay, say you have taken these 2 points and join them by a straight line. Now this part of the line is lying outside the demarcated area, so this is not a convex set. Similarly, for this diagram even you will have such problem. See, these lines are lying between or within the diagram or within the demarcated area. However, there might be some combinations who, when joined by a straight line, this line might lie outside the demarcated area. So this is also not a convex set. Similarly, this diagram, if you consider this diagram, okay, this diagram also won't satisfy convex set. Say this is the demarcated area, okay. So if you join these two points by a straight line, this part of the line is lying outside the demarcated area. Got it? So this is also not a convex set.